guys, welcome back to my channel, Nadinespeaks. Today I'm coming at you from Austin, Texas with another vlog. It is October, so we're gonna try to hit the pumpkin patch with my best friend and my 3-year-old godson with my boyfriend and her boyfriend. I am in fall colors and we're ready to explore the beautiful pumpkin patch. Hopefully we'll get to it today, as I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of cloudy. But yeah, so I thought I would bring you along with me for some of the fall fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below for more videos and hit that like button if you're liking these vlogs. Stay tuned. Alright, so we decided to go to HEB and get some stuff to cook lunch, so I will show you what we got right now. I am currently boiling some pasta and I got some sausage, spinach and feta stuffed sausage, I might add, by the way, and we're gonna put some pesto sauce on the pasta, so let me show you what that looks like right now. So we have the pasta going. Yeah, I'm trying to turn it down a little. And then I got this really good Buitoni pesto to go with that pasta. And then in the oven currently I have those spinach and feta cheese, let me get that straight, stuffed sausage. So we're gonna have that for lunch, and maybe hopefully the weather gets better so we can go to the pumpkin patch. But I think for now we're just gonna stay in, have a chill day, maybe do some crafts. Maybe I was thinking to carve a pumpkin. Is it too early for that? I don't think so, even though it's like still like 100 degrees in Houston or in Austin, in Texas for that matter. I don't think it's too early. We'll see, but stay tuned for all that footage. I hope you're liking the vlog so far. Bye guys. So this is the finished product of my pesto pasta and the spinach and feta sausage. We're all about to eat lunch. So I'm currently in the car with my best friend Bridget. Hello. And we are gonna go to Dollar Tree and buy a bunch of crafts and do them. So I'm gonna take you along with me. Stay tuned.
Down there for a picture? Here, sit down in the pumpkin for a picture.
Where are you putting it? Are you just gonna sit there? You look so cute. Oh, that's cool. Is that a weird one? Is that a weird one?
Yeah, you
tell me, go find your favorite pumpkin.
it's like the village. Nothing is like that.
Let me see your muscles. Is that the Hulk? That's a superhero. You want to go like this? Go like this. Show me your muscles. Can you go stand in front of him and go like this? Is he big? Show us your muscles, Jace. you know who that is? That's Charmander over here. Charmander, Pikachu, and Bulbasaur. Remember that card I gave you earlier today? That's a Pokemon too, it's a pink one. Yeah. Smile.
Give it to me, kiss you, dude. Bye, Jay. Where am I going? I don't know, where am I going?
Can you focus?
Oh, I'm going down.
Love you, kid. Alright, so we just got done with the pumpkin patch. It was really cute, and now we're making dinner, so I just thought I would show you what we're making. Drumsticks that we got from H-E-B, and we're gonna bake them with some veggies for dinner. And we're gonna do some Halloween crafts with my godson. What are you making?
Michael.
You're making Michael. Are you gonna draw me too?
I'm doing Mama.
You're drawing Michael?
No, I'm doing Mama.
Mama?
Yes. Already.
What color is Mama?
She's blue.
She's blue? Is that your favorite color? Here are the legs that we made and the rest of the pasta from lunch. Yum. We made some brownies.
Mama, how?
Oh, that cool, and then you can have some, okay, dude?
Oh.
Good morning, everybody. So I made the leftover sausage with scrambled eggs for all of us in the morning. Is that how you color?
Yes.
Wow. Wow, you're so good at coloring.
Let's try here. There's a lot of green stuff there.
So it is Sunday morning and we are crafting Dia de los Muertos. This is my point of reference. I got this at the dollar store yesterday. And we also got these really cool glue sticks to put in the glue gun. We got these really cool jewels and gems to put all over our blank canvas. And we also have a really cool paint glue, felt, and pom-pom. So I'll show you our end result of our Dia de los Muertos craft. This is the finished project of the finished product of my sugar skull. Let me know down in the comments if you like what you see. My best friend did a Deathly Hallows Harry Potter design, which is really cool. And she finished it off with always. Let me know down in the comment below if you know what that means for Harry Potter. Here's my friend's Halloween door that she made from all the dollar store stuff that we made. Okay, it's so cool because it even like lights up. I don't even know if you can see it, but it lights up in there. And then she made all the cool spider webs, which are so cool. So epic. And then on this, it's really cool because it goes with the wind. Yay. I look like an egghead. But we're about to leave Austin. I thought I would close out the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and give this video a like if you're in that Halloween spirit already at the beginning of October. See you later, guys. Bye.